European country of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Bosnia is located in Central Europe, and the town we are in today is called Konic. So Konic is on the way to Mostar. That's where we're going to be heading pretty soon. We thought we'd have a stop off here because this picturesque little town has a famous bridge, which you'll see, and here you can see the water's very clear. Here you can see a mosque, and the Ottomans did settle here for a large amount of time in history, so you will see a lot of mosques here which look very similar to this. You can check out the surrounding areas here as well, very scenic. So this is the town. It's around about midday, so it is a very hot point. So the famous bridge I'm talking about is actually in the distance. I'm not sure if you can see it.
Some guys will remember it's closed.
The infrastructure is really good. Nice, wide roads, clean, plenty of transport options. Here you can see signs for rafting. So this place is known for rafting as well. The pond. So we're gonna stop for coffee here now. This place is called Cafe Slastishan Kop. So please don't ask me to pronounce that again, or ask me what it means, because I have no idea. But it's very nice, very scenic, as you can see. So finished from the coffee shop. Gonna walk down towards the bridge now. Here you can see it's the church. But just to give you a review on the coffee was very poor.
How's it going?
I think these are bullet holes in this building here. So So there's some holes in that building, which I think are bullet holes. Can you see the holes there?
Hey,
You reckon they're all bullet holes?
clearly.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is a picturesque town. Let's go explore.
Bro, that's like proper. Don't know where that is.
Yeah, so there's a lot of bullet holes on the side of that building. It's hard to believe that it wasn't even that long ago. It's very quiet as well. A lot of the shops are closed, probably because it's a Sunday.
Recording.
Yeah.
Let's not get lost in the forest, eh?
You can see a five-a-side football pitch. Actually, football is very popular around here.
I know what that is.
Oh, is it sandwich?
Yeah, it's got to be in it. Got to be in it.
Yeah.
Nice spot. Right, there we go.
It's the hotel, 3-star hotel.
That looks like the seat bunda.
Yeah, it does. We are going to Mostar next, so we don't want to spend too much time here. Yeah, we're coming up close to the bridge now. Titos bunker. So yeah, there's a bunker as well.
Leave the audio.
So it's over 700 years old. This town or village, whatever you want to call it, it is so picturesque. And this is the famous bridge that most people come to see here. So there's some information on it about it here. The historic Konic Bridge. It was constructed during the 19th Ottoman Emperor Sultan Mehmed IV in the year 1682. And it was damaged in 1945 during World War II, which interestingly enough was by the Turkish Prime Minister. There's a lot of obviously Turkish influence. So as you can see, the water is very clear. And the bridge is stoned.
Beautiful water, man.
Yeah, it's very clear water. And they do rafting on this water as well, on this river. I think it's the River Drina, could be wrong. But it is so clear. You could literally drink out of it. So there you see there's some coffee shops, some bars and things like restaurants, all on the river, which are probably really popular with the tourists, as you could probably imagine. Look how green it is in the background. And there are some stones there on the ground which are probably really, really old. Those grey stones. That's probably why they've left them there.
After pretending it sometimes, I'm not.
So this looks like the old town of Konic, however you pronounce it. I'm not too sure.
You can say that, can you? Looks like it. You have to look like you know what you're doing.
So I just wanted to have a quick look at the mosque over here.
Let me see it, but it's only that.
Looks like a very historic place.
Speak English. Not yet. वो बताते पढ़ लिए हैं ना?
Is it time to pray?
No.
No.
No,
Because it was. So
from the war, you know.
yeah, so you can see these definitely have Turkish influence, especially the ones with the circles on top. Because I've been to cemetery in Istanbul, and this is how it is. But it's for a place like this, it is very serene. And it's hard to tell how old some of these are, unless I see any dates posted on any of these, which I can't see at the moment. There is a black and white photo on one of them, so they may not be too old. Saying that the most recent massacre was around about the 90s, so it wasn't that long ago. You can see the minaret. It's a very beautiful mosque. I'll have a quick look on the inside. These doors look a little bit old too. It's very small, and the windows allow air in as well. Reminds me of Istanbul. It is very beautiful. Have a quick look at the river. on this side and then we'll head back.
Is this the same river? What's it called again?
Yeah, I think it's called the River Drina. There you could see the famous bridge. It is very picturesque from here.
Narechva. Does that just mean river?
And there is a lot of water sports that take place here. Canoeing, rafting, kayaking and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did enjoy it, then obviously give it a thumbs up. Drop some any comments you want in the section below. See you on the next one. Bye. Ciao.